Welcome back, everybody. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook cover page using the designs feature and command. So once you're logged in, we're going to click on designs, and it's going to take us inside the template library. We're going to click the little plus sign, and then we're going to slide up to social and hit next. And then that's going to bring us into the creative studio where we can build a whole bunch of different amazing design templates. And what we want to do here is create a Facebook cover page. So we're going to go to Business Basics, Social Branding, and Facebook Covers. And then we can look through this and we can pick any of these ones that we like. And let's just say that we like this one. We hit Use. And when we get there, it is then time to create. So the basic template is going to come up. We can delete anything that we don't like. So I don't want the doing business as. I'm going to want my actual office logo. So I'm going to delete that out of there. And I'm going to see what I have stored. Anything I have in here already, I'm going to drop in. I'm going to throw in my own office logo. And then if there's anything else that you want to add, maybe your picture, you can add that in as well. See if we can make that guy a little different size. Throw him in there. And then in a different spot, put the logo. We can size it accordingly. And then whenever we get it at a spot that we like, we're going to save this as Facebook cover page. When we get done with that, we can download it out as a JPEG or a PNG for social media. Don't do it as a PDF if you want to put this on Facebook. Do it as either a JPEG or a PNG. Download it out, and then you're going to see it pop up. And now you can head over to Facebook, and you can use this as your cover page. Hope this helped. If you learned something here, make sure you subscribe to my channel and like the video and hit the little bell so you see notifications every time I create a new video. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.